Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in Quran studies today, I'm going to be starting Surah Al-Bayyinah, and I will do it's 4 ayahs today because it has 8 ayahs. So I'm gonna split it into 2 days. So let's get started. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Basically, it's a Madani surah. It has 8 ayahs. Surah number 98, and Bayyinah means the evidence. So the first ayah is Lam yakunil lazina kafaru min ahlil kitabi wal mushrikina munfakkina hatta ta'tiyahumul bayyina. It means that those who disbelieved, the people who did not listen, who disbelieved the kuffar, be they be from the people of the book, because they also disbelieve, they don't believe in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam being the last prophet, or from those who associated others with Allah, or like the two groups, either it's kuffar or it's the people of the book. So those who disbelieved from either group with Allah in His divinity will not desist from unbelief until clear proof should come to them. So al-bayyina means clear evidence. So unless they see any clear evidence, they are not going to believe in the Prophet, they are not going to believe in Allah, they are not going to believe in the resurrection. So this is about the first ayah. Moving on to the next ayah, ayah number 2. Rasulun minallahi yatlu suhufam mutahhara. It means a messenger from Allah reciting from purified scrolls. Suhufam means pages. So until a messenger comes to them, because you know that there was a long time had passed between Prophet Isa and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So until a messenger came reciting the purified scrolls to them, they were not going to believe. The third ayah is Fiha kutubun qayyima. It means what does the scrolls have? In writings wherein are scriptures absolutely true and unerring or correct. Qayyima means correct. So the Prophet comes and he reads to them the purified scrolls in which there is the truth, and there is there is the law, there is the truth, and there is everything that Allah has to say. So the next ayah is ayah number 4. وَمَا تَفَرَّقَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابَ إِلَّا مِن بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَتْهُمُ الْبَيِّنَةُ. Nor did those to whom the book had been given split up until after proof or right way had come to them. So the disbelievers, they not the disbelievers, actually the people of the book, they did not split into different sects until the book had come to them. After that, because and the same thing is happening in the Muslims also, like dividing into different firqa, different groups, after the information, after the Quran came, and in the same way for those people also, after the book came to them, they divided into different groups. So these were the first 4 ayahs of the surah. Inshallah, tomorrow I'll do the next 4 ayahs and complete it. Till then, fi amanallah.